If you're enjoying our free content, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to learn more at dmi.edu.
All right, in Nuke here, I'm going to show a real quick way to get rid of some tracking markers. I've got my tracker. It's already done. It's already handled the tracking for these different ones. So I'm going to really quick. I'm going to make a roto, and I'm just going to essentially just make a little cube around this thing here. And what I want to do here is in the transform tab of my roto, I'm just going to right click here and tell it to link to track one. Okay. Now it does some funky thing by offsetting it here, which is fine. I'm just going to really quick, because the track works, and I'm just going to select these points here, and I'm just going to kind of physically offset it. And I'm just going to drag this down to really where it belongs, right there. And now that is going to move along with it just fine. So that makes me happy. It does exactly what I want it to do, and so that's working. Now the next thing that I want to do here is I'm going to do a real quick transform, and I'm going to drop this in right here, feeding off of my read one here, and then I'm gonna run a merge back in here, and so it's gonna look like this. So basically, I'm gonna transform. Hang on. I'm going to slide this over just a little bit. And so you can see that this is the original, and I'm just basically sliding green over the top of it. And now I'm going to take my roto, which is essentially giving me this alpha channel right here. And I'm going to use that as the mask input for this merge. And so what I'm getting here is now when I'm in this merge, it's literally just merging some additional green screen back over the top of this. And so I'm, just on this roto, I'm going to just soft edge this thing real quick. Just going to feather it just so it's a little less harsh, but it doesn't really matter because that's working. And now what's happening is it's running through my key light, and the key light was already set to get rid of the green. And so now that tracking marker is gone. So that's actually a real quick way to get rid of tracking markers. That will work on these other ones just as easily.